All right, I'm apologizing in advance for a lot of the noise that's going on because the kids are here. All right, so you're going into your virtual office. You're going into your party. Emily, turn that down. Okay, this is the party that I'm talking about that I have open for myself for October orders. So I have it shipped to me, right? Because that's essentially the idea is if you're going to collect a bunch of orders just randomly, you want to at least also try to get hostess rewards off of it. So if I'm looking at my orders, I see that Michelle Puri and Susan Kell posted or they ordered on these days in September, okay, via the web. This is their personal volume that was involved in that, so the sales that were involved in that. This date right here, 10/31/2018, that is the day that the hostess rewards will expire. This is my aunt. I haven't completed hers yet, okay? But this one's open. I did it as a mock order. So this one's open, and it's got that medium utility tote bundle. If I went in and I went ahead and paid for it and everything else, let me just show you. So I'm going to pay for it. Good. Okay. Done. Save and continue. Okay. So if you see in your review and submit, this is ready to submit. These have already been submitted. That means they have shipped, the people have received them already, but this one has only been held, so to speak. So if I forget about this order in my name on November 1st, then those medium utility tote specials will fall off because I did not completely submit that by closing the party. If I wanted to get those, then what I would have done is I would have had it directly shipped to myself instead of being shipped with the party. So if you go back to the order list, the way to change that would be to click on the order, edit the order, go back to checkout, and then in this drop down select direct ship. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't need this stuff, but that's how you would basically do it. So that's what I mean by the difference. So those two ladies ordered in September, and I still have hostess rewards for them that I haven't used yet, but they expire October 31st. What I will do is I will close this order, this party at the end of October completely, and I will open a new one for November, and then on November 30th, rename it to December. So hopefully that makes sense, a little bit more sense. Let me know if it doesn't.